Hi everyone! Today what I'm going to be talking about is cuticle care when it comes to stamping. And these 3 tools I'm going to show you today is just really going to help to make the process a lot easier when it comes to taking off your stamp design and then also the cleanup. This first product right here, this is Poly Peel. It was our first cuticle protector that allowed you to paint onto your skin and take off excess paint. The next product I'm going to show you is called Mani Mask. The only difference is the formula. So for people who have allergies to latex, this is the product for you. And the last one is our nail protector tape. This is basically like a veil for your nail. It's flexible and stretchy, so you can maneuver it to fit your nail the way that you need to. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them into the comments. I will be checking them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.